Downloading a sprint report from Jira provides insights into the progress and performance of a sprint, including completed tasks, unfinished tasks, and other key metrics. Here's how to download the sprint report from Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account using your credentials, ensuring you have the necessary permissions to view sprint reports. Navigate to the Scrum board. Go to the project containing the sprint you want to report on. Select the relevant Scrum board, which is typically listed under boards or projects in the Jira menu. Access the sprint report. On the Scrum board, click on the Reports button, usually found in the left-hand menu or the top navigation bar. From the list of available reports, select Sprint Report. This will display a report of the most recently completed sprint or an ongoing sprint. Choose the sprint. Use the Sprint drop-down menu to select the specific sprint you want to report on. The report will show details like completed issues, incomplete issues, and any scope changes. Download the report. While Jira does not offer a direct download button for sprint reports, you can use the export option. Click the Export button, usually found at the top right corner of the report, and choose Export to Excel or another available format. This will download the report data to your computer. Save the file. Save the exported file to your desired location on your computer.